So are you wondering what 80 million can get you? Wow, this is what 80 million naira can get you in Ajah Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So this is a contemporary building. Yes, I'll go in now to show you what 80 million can get you. So with initial deposit of 10 million naira, you can actually get this. Look at it. You can get it. So let's enter. Let me show you. All right, you're waiting for it then. There is a studio apartment. You can use that one for shortlets. Yes. So with initial deposit of 10 million naira, you can get it. Everything, yes, that I'm going to show you today. So stay tuned and watch it to the end. Let's go. So I made mention of security, right? Yes, this estate is fully secured. Yeah, there are a lot of security men at the gates. But right away, let's say this is your unit, then you want to enter. So with a card, you can enter. It's open already. You can see this door is a security door. So this is how to open. So this is a 3-bedroom terrace duplex. Okay, let me start from the visitors toilet. So okay, see this place as you enter. This is the visitors toilet. This is what we have here, and you can see how spacious is a toilet. So okay, so I'm going to show you around. So this is our living room, and exactly, let me tell you one thing here. This is how we're going to deliver it. Fully finished but not furnished. You can see this is our living room. This is how you can arrange it. We are just showing you how you can arrange it, and we're just showing you that this space you can actually arrange it like this, and it's very spacious because space is part of luxury. So see this place, how you can arrange it. So you can arrange it like this, and see our living room. See how we can arrange it too. You can see how spacious it is. See, this is luxury. This is luxurious. This is 3-bedroom with the studio apartment separate. Duplex, which is luxury, right? Yes. So this is our living room, and in this living room you can see our window. This is well ventilated. You can see it's well ventilated. So from here now I will move to the dining. Oh, I like food. Yes, let me tell you that. Oh my gosh, yes, this is it. This is our dining. You can see how you can arrange it. So you can see this is, you can discuss here, eat here, ideas, bring it on. So you can see this is how to arrange this place, and everywhere is well ventilated. You can see, so it's well ventilated, windows around. See, this is what I call, this is luxury. Yes, luxury indeed. Yes. Then I'm going to the kitchen. This leads me to the kitchen where all the food is coming from, to the dining. You can see, so this is the kitchen. I'm going to show you, this is what we have in the kitchen. We have a delivered this with washing machine, and what you are seeing here, the heat extractor, the cooker, see the oven, the microwave, excluding the refrigerator, but every other thing will be delivered like this. And we have our pantry, you can see. So this is exactly how we're going to deliver this to you, except the refrigerator. But this is it. You can see how spacious it is. Yeah, I know you're liking it already. So this one will take me to the backyard before I start going to the room upstairs. So downstairs we have the kitchen, we have the dining, and we have the living room and the visitors toilet. So this will take me to the backyard. So let's go to the backyard. So this is our backyard. Yes, you can arrange it like this. And this is from the kitchen to the backyard. So this is an exit door from the kitchen. So, and we have this at the backyard. You can see, you can actually see this. In the evening, you can bring a chair, something like this here, and you just you enjoy yourself here. You can see this is how it's going to be. You can see. So I am going upstairs now so that I will actually show you. You know, we have another living room upstairs. This is like mini lounge, but it's not mini, it's maxi lounge. Yes, to show you that we like space, and the time we are building this, we'll actually have it in mind that space is part of luxury. So let's go in to the upstairs. Let's go upstairs. So we're going upstairs now. I'm going to show you the full. I don't want to cut anything from this video. I just want to show you everything. So if you want us to deliver it like this, to furnish it like this, you know, is at your own cost for the furniture. But ours is to deliver it fully finished, but not furnished. But if you want it furnished, definitely we will be glad to do that for you. So the room that is facing me here, we call it the box room. I know you travel a lot, so all your boxes, you can see how spacious it is, so you can actually store it here. So now that this one takes me to the lounge upstairs. You can see this is our lounge upstairs, and it's very spacious. You can see space, very, very spacious. See the way you can actually arrange it. Yes, see it. Let me show you everything so that you can see the POP, the artwork, and the rest. So, and you can see that the window is well ventilated, you can see. So this is actually how you can do this, arrange it like this. I know you're loving it. Then this one takes me to the room 1. Let me show you room 1. Yes, so this is room 1. This will come fully finished but not furnished. So this is room 1, and it's all en suite, toilets in the bath with the wardrobe. So this is the wardrobe, the POP, the toilet and the bathroom. So the toilet and the bathroom, and this is it. And I'm going to the room 2. This leads me to room 2. Like I told you, this is how you can arrange your things there. So the beddings, you know, see. So you can see the wardrobe. Then we have our toilet and the bathroom. The toilet and the bathroom. So the toilet and the bathroom. So we have it here, and see, and we have the water heater. You can see have it here. So this one can change. See the lightning here. If I press it, it change, and if I press this too, it's off. So then let's go to the primary suits. Oh, so we're going to the primary suits. Let's go. So this is the primary suite. This is the primary suite. You can see how the space to the ventilation, the windows rather. This place is well ventilated. So this is the walk-in closet. Let me show you your suits on this, the shoe. This is where you can put it. And the toilet in the bathroom. So we have the bath here. You can see how you can arrange it. We have the water heater, the bath. There's we have the shower cubicle too. So this is the shower cubicle, and so the last I want to show you here is a studio apartment. Oh my gosh, this studio apartment, in fact, is a very good one anyway. So 3 rooms upstairs with a box room, and downstairs we have the living room, and this is the lounge upstairs too that I showed you. Then I'm going downstairs now to show you our studio apartment. It's not at the back of the building, it's at the front of the building. So it's a studio apartment on its own, and that one you can use it for short legs, and you can even rent it out. So it depends on you. So I'm going in now to show you our apartment, our studio apartment rather. So that comes with this, and this is 80 million naira. Yes, with initial deposit of 10 million naira, and you can spread the payment till 18 months. So let me show you the studio apartment. So like I told you, the studio apartment is at the front, not at the back. So, and this is it. So I'm going to enter now to show you the studio apartment. The either you can use it for short let, or you can rent it out. So we enter now so that you can see how it looks like. See it from outside. Yes, this is our studio apartment. This is exactly how you can arrange it too when we deliver it to you. So you can see this is okay. Let me just show you around, then we can start this. Look at it. This is the living room. This is the dining. This is the kitchen. See, this is the kitchen. This is where you can store your things. Let me show you. So this is the toilet and the bath. Can you see this? This is toilet and the bathroom. And this is the room. Can you see? This is awesome. This is super awesome. See the wardrobe. See, this is spacious. That is why I say you can either rent it out or you use it for short lets. So you'll be counting the money, the investment. Okay, so this is our studio apartment. This is what you have when you do this. This is our love video series 2 of Prime 3. So you can see, like I told you, everything is going for 80 million naira with initial deposit of 10 million naira you can actually key into this and you can spread your payments as long as 18 months. You can spread it. So this is what you have. Yes, this is it. So call the number showing on your screen. Let me take you for an inspection. And Obam Prime 3 is on Ogombo Road in the axis of Ajah Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So call the number showing on your screen. Let me take you for an inspection. Then you subscribe. Call me right away. If you want it virtual, I do that for you. If you want on-site inspection, yes, give me that call. I'm expecting you. Yes, bye.